A massive car bomb exploded outside of a large federal building in downtown Oklahoma City, shattering that building, killing children, killing federal employees, military men, and civilians.
Bombing in Oklahoma City was an attack on innocent children and defenseless citizens.
It hurts deep down as to why someone would do something of this magnitude. It's unreal.
All my friends are missing. I don't know where any of them are.
Every rock I grab and throw, I'm thinking that our hands would reach up through that little hole and say, I'm here, but that hasn't happened so far.
The vicious animals that did this, their crimes are unspeakable, they're against humanity, they're unforgivable.
Her mother-in-law, father-in-law, and 5-year-old child were in the building.
My father's a human. It's on the first floor. They're still missing. No one's found them. No one's seen them. Their names aren't on any lists.
It's a very slow, tedious process of removing the debris and extricating the fatalities and searching for survivors. You know, you hope and you pray that every time you turn a stone, there'll be a survivor somewhere.
It's like somebody picked up the building and slammed it back down again. Then there was smoke, people were screaming, everybody started running.
The debris is gone and the building is no more. Now this is a place of peace and remembrance and life. The victims of the Oklahoma City bombing have been given not vengeance, but justice. Today, every living person who was hurt by the evil done in Oklahoma City can rest in the knowledge that there has been a reckoning. For the survivors of the crime and for the families of the dead, the pain goes on.